Hello sa lahat ng aking mga kapatid na star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat dito? So, ang reading natin na ngayon is what's about to happen this coming month of July or mga ganap ng iyong buwan ng July. Okay? So, diretso na tayo sa mga gaganap ng July. Okay? Hindi na natin kunin yung energy ninyo. So, this is collective reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi naman, hindi ito para sa inyo. Para ito sa iba. So, wag lang tayong bitter. Love, love, love lang sa lahat ng aking mga kapatid dito. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, month of July ng aking mga kapatid na star viewers. Okay. Ano ang magaganap? Okay. Alright. Page of Swords. Okay. You will be achieving your something about like to study. Meron dito parang gusto mong gumibap. Okay? May mag-give up. I'm sorry guys. Maybe you have been through challenges. Yeah. So, for the month of July, I'm getting like, finally, okay? Finally, victory, I'm done. Tapos na ako for the month of July. Tapos na ako mag-aral. Tapos na ako sa training. So, there's like a training or pagsubok. It's finally na ma-achieve mo for the month of July. Meron ditong give up na. Ayoko na, soko na ako, pero kaya ko to. Wow. So, for the month of July, yung iba sa inyo dito, more on power. Okay? Kahit na, meron kasi ditong childish mindset. Yeah, yung iba dito. Na, kaya mo na to, madali lang akong matututo, alam ko na yung gagawin ko, and it's like that, more on, you guys, for the month of July, napaka-fighter mo. Yeah. Lumalaban ka. Hindi ka natatakot. Yeah. Okay. At alam mo na sa lahat ng mapagsubok mo for the month of July, may katuwang ka. Your spirit animals is there watching you, helping you. Kung ano man itong mga pagsubok na darating sa iyo for the month of July, kaya mo itong masugpo. Yeah. Okay. Tell me more for the month of July, so all my star viewers. Ano pa? Okay. Wow, for the month of July, yung iba sa inyo dito, magpapataraw reading, or kung ikaw itong manghuhula, maybe you will be doing tarot reading for yourself, okay, for the month of July. And also for the month of July, as a psychic, a healer, mas magkakaroon ka ng maraming, I'm getting like a knowledge, information. So pay attention mga kapatid, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw itong a tarot reader, psychic, a healer, or intuitive. So pay attention because for the month of July, you will be more getting, it's like a future. Yeah. Prediction. There will be a prediction na mangyayari for the month of July. And you know it. You will be getting like more information, a vision for the month of July. So may vision kang makukuha or makikita. Okay, for the month of July or during month of July. Okay. Yeah. You know what? Sa vision mo, kapatid, your spirit animals or your spirit teams is helping you to get this information. So, kung meron kang vision, okay, or through dreams, kasi meron dito for the month of July, as a healer, psychic, intuitive, empath, mas magiging malakas ang iyong power, ang iyong kapangyarihan. Yeah, you will be getting these dreams, or if it's like a dreams or signs, yeah, you will get the answer. Okay? So, kung kaya mo mahuhula mo o makukuha mo itong sagot through this reading. Or, yeah, it could be through this reading or through the reading. Okay? Na kaya mo itong makuha yung energy. Kasi minsan, as a tarot reader or manghuhula, mahirap na mahulaan natin yung para sa atin, masuhulaan natin yung iba kaysa sa sarili natin. But then again, for the month of July, you can be able to do reading for yourself. Okay? So mahuhula mo yung para sa sarili mo because you are being helped, guided by your spirit team. And again, for the month of July, as a healer, manghuhula, okay? magiging mas malakas pa ang iyong kapangyarihan for the month of July. So again, kapatid, make sure you use any of beads or mga lucky charm or something na maprotektahan ang iyong, okay, ang iyong psychic ability. Yeah. So, and again, yung iba naman for the month of July, meron ditong tatakas. Siguro nagpaplano kang tumakas or sa iba mong pangkasamahan. Yeah. Kung ikaw itong nasa trabaho or it could be abroad or somewhere na gusto mong tumakas or gustong-gusto mo talagang tumakas or siguro makakaroon ka ng idea for the month of July na tatakas. Yeah. Meron kasi dito magtatakas. Whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Kasi iba-iba yung storya ng buhay natin. For the month of July, kung until now, kung ngayon ay may plano ka ng umalis or tatakas or uuwi, and of the month of July, it's gonna happen. Mangyayari ito sa'yo. Okay? It could be, siguro 3 kayong aalis, or 6 kayong aalis, or mapapauwi, something about na tatakas. Okay? For the month of July. Okay. What else pa? Spirit guide angels. Tell me more about for the month of July ng ating mga viewers. So, alamin muna natin yung first week ganap ng iyong month of July. Okay? Alright, Spirit guide angels, let us know the first week. Okay, first week. Ano ang magiging mangyayari? Prediction ng ating mga viewers dito for the first week muna. Okay. Okay. Yes. So, di ba sinabi ko itong tatakas? So, maybe, yung iba sa inyo for the month of July, you will be going to somewhere. Okay, abroad, or meron itong uuwi. Yeah, you will be finally be home successfully for the month of July. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard for you to come home for the month of July. And that's why it takes time. Yeah, hanggang papaplano ka na lang muna. Eventually, magiging successful itong pag-uwi mo. Itong pag-relocate or it could be pagta-travel. You might be traveling. So again, kung gusto mo mag-travel mga kapatid, mag-ipon ka. Kasi meron itong gusto ko na magta-travel kaya lang wala akong pera. So, but again, pag-ipunan mo muna para maging successful itong pagta-travel mo. Meron itong pagta-travel na mapundi o hindi matutupad kasi nga kulang sa budget for the month of July. Yung iba dito. Okay? And that is for the first week. Yeah. For the first week ng July ninyo, kapatid. Okay. What else, Spirit guide angels? What about the second week ng ating mga minamahal na star viewers sa July? So, for the month of July, you will be trying hard to reach your goal. Yeah. Marami ka mga pagsubok, but then again, kaya mo to. Yeah. And continue on getting more encourage, para ma-encourage ka. So, again, I do advise you guys para mas maging mag-encourage ka sa buwan ng July, itong mga pinapaplano mo, pag-aaral, or itong profession, yeah, whatever na gusto mong ma-achieve, kaya mo to. Ikaw pa. Kaya mo yan. Malakas ka. Kahit na minsan childish, yung parang ikaw itong nagdedesisyon na agad-agad, it takes time. Yeah. So, kailangan talaga ng action. Actionan mo na yung mga plano mo. Because one day, you will be achieving this goal for the month of July, especially in 2 weeks. Okay? 2 weeks or second week of July. Yeah. Ma-achieve mo itong goal na ito. May mga pagsubok man, may mga trials man, kaya mo to. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng perseverance or encouragement sa buhay, ano? So, what else, Spirit guide angels? What about the third week? Okay, ganap ng July nila. Wow, third week. Okay, so again, third week, you'll be achieving your goal. You will be getting clarity information. So pay attention guys, mga for the month of July, meron ito magiging emotional. Yeah, you might be stuck. So pay attention, ingat-ingat kayo sa mga emosyon ninyo for the month of July. Kaya nga minsan yung iba dito for the month of July, dahil sa stuck kayo or na-stranded kayo sa mga emosyon na ito, siguro magkakaroon kayo ng idea na magpapahula. Okay? So, feel free. Kung kailangan nyo magpahula, then go ahead. Yeah, magpahula kayo. Kailangan nyo ng mga advice, go ahead, magpahula kayo. So, that will be for the month of July, yung iba sa inyo dito. And, what else? Okay. Yes. So, for the, still the third week of July, you will be trying to balance your finances, your life, your lifestyle. Kasi yung iba sa inyo dito, the Emperor in reverse, it could be tough. May hirapan ka man na magbalanse ito, and kaya mo yan. Again, for the month of July, lagi mo lang isipin na kaya mo to. Kaya mo to. Kahit anong pagsubok sa buhay, kaya mo to. Makapag-move forward ka rin. Kung gusto mo, kung may mga bagay ka rin naman na gusto mong takasan, makakaya mo to. But then again, I'm also gonna, yung sinasabi kong word na takas, mas mabuti pa na harapin mo ito instead of takasan mo. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng courage, lakas ng loob. Most likely for the month of July, you guys would have so much courage. Yeah. Magiging mas matindi ang inyong lakas ng loob. Palakasan ng loob ito, mga kapatid. Huwag kayong tumakas sa mga responsibilidad ninyo. Para saan pa yung pagtakas? You guys will become more weak. Huwag niyong hayaan na magiging weak ang inyong emosyon. Kaya mo to. Harapin mo yung mga pagsubok, itong mga trials, itong mga paghihirap. Kaya mo tong harapin. Okay? It's part of your journey. I'm also getting like, siguro nahulaan ka na. Siguro may naghula sa iyo, what will be your life like in the future? Na ikaw itong tao na marami kang challenges na pagsubok na darating sa iyong buhay or ma-encounter. But then again, kaya mo to. Marireach mo itong mga goal mo, itong mga success. Kung gusto mo maging successful, kaya mo to. Again, paano ka maging successful kung hindi mo harapin itong mga challenges? Yeah. Para maging successful kayo, mga kapatid, harapin itong mga pagsubok sa buhay. Huwag niyong takasan. Dahil kaya mo to. Hindi ito bibigyan ng universe sa iyo kung hindi mo kaya. Alam ng universe, kaya mo yan. Maging matatag ka lang. Yeah. Kung kailangan mo mag-aral, mag-aral ka. Kung kailangan mo matuto, dapat patutunan mo to. Lahat ng mga challenges, itong mga paghihirap, sakit, puot, dapat may mga lessons kang natutunan dito. And that will help you to stay strong, na maging matatag ka. Alright? So, last week of the month ng July natin, or July ninyo. What about the fourth week of July, Spirit Rangers? Ano ang magiging ganap ng ating mga viewers dito? Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo dito, your finances will stay balanced. Okay. Yeah. What else, Spirit Angels? Okay. Knight of Pentacles, I'm also getting like, you might be wasting so much money, okay, for at the end of the month. Siguro marami kayong paggagastuhan, o siguro talagang, for the month of July, yung iba sa inyo dito, magiging madalang yung takbo ng pera. Yung mararamdaman mo yung paghihirap financially, yung iba sa inyo dito. But then again, kaya mo to. Hindi porke na naghihirap tayo sa pera, end of the day na, end of the world na. Then again, guys, ito ay nasa isipan mo lang. Stop overthinking na hindi mo to kaya. Stop overthinking na mahirap ang daloy ng pera mo. Lahat ng itong paghihirap, discouragement, hanggang sa ano lang to sa pag-iisip mo lang to, kapatid. Okay? Dapat ka nang mamulat. Yeah. Dapat imulat mo ang iyong mga mata, ang iyong emosyon, ng lahat ng itong paghihirap, itong mga discouragement. Sa utak mo lang yun. Iniisip mo lang yan. Kailangan talaga movement, encouragement, na kaya mo to. Matatag ka. You can, you can deal all of these challenges. Kaya mo yan for the month of July. Yes, marami ka pang i-clear. You will be getting clarity for the month of July information. Makakuha ka ng sagot, may matatanggap ka sagot. Yes, whatever you are manifesting, pinipray o hinuhula, makakatanggap ka ng sagot na ito. Or maybe this reading will give you encouragement, the answer, sagot ng iyong mga katanungan through this reading, yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Alright, let's get the advice. Okay? A message more. Hold on. Spirit Angels, tell us more for the month of July ng ating mga viewers. Okay. For the month of July. Yes. Wealthy man. Okay. What is this wealthy man for the month of July? You know what? Ano na natin to? Siguro may na-manifest itong taong ito. Itong tao na for the month of July na paparating na siya. Maybe it takes time na matagal mo ito makilala. Siguro pinapahula mo itong wealthy man, itong taong itong mapera. It doesn't have to be wealthy man or at least a woman or something like that. Siguro may na-manifest mo ito or hinuhulaan mo or pinapahula mo siguro na ang tawag doon, makakatagpo ba ako ng mayaman? Or maybe specifically for the month of July, I'm also getting the energy na baka magpapahula ka sa isang tao na siya magbibigay sa iyo ng sagana sa buhay. May chance pa ba na, example lang ha, may chance pa ba na pag ipapahula ko tong taong ito or nadarating ba siya sa buhay ko? Or may mayaman na tao pa ba na makakilala ko pa? Or magkakagusto sa akin. But then again, yung iba naman sa inyo dito, siguro nahulaan ka na makakilala mo itong mayaman na tao, kaya lang matagal pa. Itong mayaman na tao, itong maperang taong ito, ito mag-o-offer sa inyo, or magli-lift up sa inyo from the crisis. Yeah. Or siguro pinapahula mo na maging mayaman ka, in the future, yes, yung iba sa inyo, it takes time. Yeah, marami ka pang pagdadaanan. Marami pang challenges na darating sa iyo bago ka maging successful. Kung ito ay pinapahula mo o gusto mong ipapahula. Kasi meron itong nangyari na, meron namang iba itong in the future mangyari na may maghuhula sa iyo, okay, maybe for the month of July, na you will be successful. But then again, as a reminder, it takes time for you to receive this abundance. Marami ka pang challenges na pagdadaanan bago ka magiging successful, bago magiging kasi kanina nakuha ko yung emperor, kaya lang yung ito naka upside down. So maybe ito yung minamanifest mo na maging successful ka. Kasi marami ka sigurong sinusuportahang pamilya or tinutulungan. Especially sa boss, siguro minamanifest mo na maging boss ka. Okay? Okay? I'm also getting like for the month of July, you will be signing a paper. It could be a divorce or something about the paperwork. Okay? Yeah. Maybe something about on the 30, maybe at the end of the month, maybe you will be signing a paper or you will be like a divorce process or something like that. I'm also getting like for the month of July, you will be in a situation of interview. Okay? Siguro may interview dito mangyayari. Okay? It could be related sa interview sa trabaho. Most likely sa trabaho. Okay? Kaya nga siguro meron ditong pagpaplano na maglipat or to escape. Yeah. Dahil nakakaroon ka na siguro ng isang ibang idea na maglipat ng panibagong trabaho. And that's why you will be successfully achieve this goal na makapaglipat ng ibang panibagong trabaho. And you will be receiving an interview Okay, an appointment na mag-interview para sa'yo for the month of July. Okay? Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, what about an advice, final advice for the month of July ng ating mga minamahal na viewers dito? Okay. Alright. You are loved. So, pwede nyo pong i-post yung video at basahin ninyo kung gusto niyo. You are enough just as you are, and you are loved. If you don't have a model for love, imagine yourself as a child. Perhaps you have a favorite pictures of yourself as an adorable 5-year-old. Look into your own sweet eyes and acknowledge just how special you are. That child inside still needs your tenderness, and so does adult you. Please don't abandon yourself. Instead, tap into the ocean of love inside. So again, kanina, takas or tumakas, okay? And again, as a reminder, huwag niyo pong abandonahin ang sarili ninyo. Love yourself. Choose about yourself. Okay? Mahalin yung sarili ninyo. Kung kailangan nyo mag-enjoy, go enjoy with your family members. Spend time with your children. Meron kasi ditong parang naabandonan nyo na yung as a mother. Okay? Or sa mga anak ninyo. Yeah. And again, this is the right time, guys, na enjoy life, spend time with your children, spend time with your family members, kasi meron ditong lately siguro, especially for the month of July, lagi kayong umaalis ng bahay, but then again, as a reminder, do not abandon the people who care so much for you. Huwag niyong abandonahin, iwan sa ere itong mga taong minamahal kayo. Spend time with them. Okay? That's the energy for you, to all my minamahal na mga kapatid na star viewers. So hanggang dito na lang, hindi ko na patatagalan. Sana ay happy kayo sa reading na ito, especially for the month of July. And feel free to leave your message below kung nakaresonate kayo, especially for the month of July. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. And maraming salamat po sa pagtutok ninyo dito sa aking any of my tarot reading videos. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat and I really appreciate you all here. I love you guys and see you guys next time. Bye!